Hey everyone, just wanted to share a quick video on a little gizmo I made out of a wire clothes hanger. If you're anything like me, you're really busy and there's a game on, or if you want to catch up on the news, time is just lost while you're in the shower. So I made this so that my phone hangs on the outside of my shower enclosure, allowing me to catch up on whatever I'm watching while also getting ready for whatever I'm doing, whether that's work or going out with my wife or whatever the case is.